alayzamaylao, your Davao gamer. Kung bago kayo sa YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button para ma-notify kayo every time I upload. So in this video, I will be unboxing MSI Motherboard B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC. This is the best B450 motherboard available in the market. As you can see in the box, it comes with good neat package. You can see the MSI logo, and this motherboard is supported of Mystic Light, where you can customize and set up with your own color scheme. You can see the B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC. And this motherboard actually comes with AMD Ryzen 2nd generation ready. Look at the back of the box. It shows all the features of the motherboard. Support comes with all the luxurious features that can expect on. So let's see what's inside. So first, you can see the motherboard itself, the SATA cable labels, MSI promotional product card, MSI thank you card, MSI booklet for user or user guide, quick installation guide, I/O shield with their MSI logo, MSI driver and utilities with MSI sticker, Wi-Fi antenna, SATA cable, 4 pins for RGB extension, M.2 screw, M.2 shield. So here with our MSI B450 motherboard, what I love in this board is the color, which is purely black. As you can see here, it is the heatsink cooler for the best overclocking performance. Here is a memory slot with DDR4 boost, M.2 shield, and 2 M.2 slot if you want to expand. Here is the steel armor press slot that can handle more extreme graphic cards. Audio boost, which is MSI's advantage more. Here we got 28 pins for power supply. At the back, PS2 port with red accent, 2 USB port for 2.0, display port, HDMI, gold port for Wi-Fi antenna for good signal, 3 USB port for 3.1 gigabit LAN, USB Type-C port, and of course the audio ports. The B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC is also equipped with RGB lightnings with MSI Mystic Light functionality. And also guys, this motherboard works even if you don't have CPU, memory, graphics card installed. So if you want to know more about MSI B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC guys, I will just link the details down below. So that's all guys, see you on my next video.